I read a quote today by a Canadian poet named Alden Nowlan, and it really struck me. He said that when a child realizes that adults are imperfect, he becomes an adolescent. When he learns to forgive them, he becomes an adult. And when he learns to forgive himself, he becomes wise. And this struck me as I've thought about my own life. Honestly, I think I was kind of late to mature emotionally, and it took me a while to even see the imperfections of my parents or other people around me. Perhaps I put people on a pedestal sometimes and tried to see only the best. And being able to see their imperfections was sometimes difficult for me. But the forgiving of them has been so powerful. I can say now I love my parents dearly, imperfections and all, and still feel a warm glow from how hard they worked to take such good care of me. I've been working on the forgiving myself part too. I have so many imperfections and faults and failings. But the effort has really afforded me a lot of healing. All of us are really in the process of growing up and becoming more wise. I know I've got a lot of work to do, but that quote helped put it into perspective for me. I hope it helps you too. Thank you.